I've always believed that you get what you pay for, especially when it comes to tech these days. But what if a pair of earbuds defied that rule? What if you could get features like high res audio or adaptive noise cancellation and a battery life that lasts you all day? All for the price of maybe a couple of movie tickets. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Soundpeats Air5 Pros because these earbuds promise something that sounds almost too good to be true. So let's go ahead and check them out. Okay, first things first, let's talk about design and feel. The Soundpeats Air5 Pros come in a sleek, pill-shaped matte black case with nicely rounded edges. It's incredibly pocketable, which is a huge plus for my daily carry. You've got this USB-C charging port on the bottom with a pairing button right next to it, but just to manage expectations here, there's no wireless charging available. A minor trade-off for the price if you ask me. The case also has a subtle LED indicator on the front which lights up while charging or if the battery is low. The earbuds themselves have a smooth glossy finish that contrasts nicely with the case. They feature a comfortable short stem design, and Soundpeats includes these 3 sets of ear gel tips to ensure that you get that perfect seal and you can focus on the sound coming out of these things. And the logo isn't just for looks, it acts as a customizable touch control panel, and these also have an IPX5 water resistance rating, so they stay ready for your workouts or even a little bit of rain, just in case. And now for the main event, the sound quality. This is where the Air5 Pros truly excel. They have the high-res audio, which is powered by Qualcomm's chipset with Snapdragon sound. And this isn't just marketing mumbo jumbo. It means these earbuds support advanced codecs like LE audio, LDAC, and aptX lossless. And for us Android users especially, LDAC is a game changer, delivering incredible high fidelity and near lossless sound. Inside, you'll find 10mm composite biodiaphragm drivers, which deliver a sound signature that's both fun and impressive. The bass is heavy and thumping with a satisfying rumble that feels controlled. Mids are crisp and detailed, making vocals really shine, and the highs are clear without being too harsh. I will note though, the soundstage isn't the widest I've heard, feeling more like a medium-sized room, but the sound imaging is surprisingly good in these, letting you pinpoint where the sound is coming from within that space. So really cool stuff here. Next up, let's talk about the feature that truly surprised me, the AI adaptive noise cancellation. Whether it was the hum of my computer or the general chatter of an office, these earbuds did an excellent job of silencing the world around. And when you need to hear the surroundings, the ambient mode is fantastic. It sounds so natural, it's almost like you're not even wearing these earbuds at all. On the connectivity front, the Air5 Pros come with Bluetooth 5.4, offering a stable connection and multi-point connectivity, allowing you to seamlessly switch between 2 different devices. For the gamers, there's the 60-millisecond low latency gaming mode, which keeps your audio perfectly in sync with the action so that you can focus on getting that KD ratio up. You know what I'm talking about. And when it comes to calls, these are equipped with 6 microphones and the AI noise reduction. In quiet environments, the calls were crystal clear, but in noisier settings, let's just say, don't expect any big miracles. Now let's talk about battery life. You're looking at about 7.5 hours on a single charge for the earbuds themselves and a total of 37 hours with the charging case. And if you're in a hurry, a quick 10-minute charge can give you about 2 hours of playtime, which is not bad at all. And of course, no modern earbud is complete without a companion app. But yeah, about that, full disclosure here, I did run into some issues getting the Peats audio app to consistently work with my Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16e, but that might have been because I was running some beta software on both of these devices. But once you get your app running, it gives you full control over the EQ settings, lets you customize your touch controls, toggle the ANC modes on or off, and even enable that game mode that I was talking about earlier. Oh, they also have that feature to locate your earbuds just in case they go missing. So the level of control you get here is just fantastic for a pair of budget earbuds. So are the Soundpeats Air5 Pros worth it? Absolutely, if you ask me. At their price point, which is under $60 whenever you can find a sale on them, they offer pretty incredible value. You're getting high-res audio, excellent AI adaptive noise cancellation, a solid battery life, multi-point connectivity, and a robust app with some extensive customization features. Yes, you do miss out on wireless charging and some smart sensors, but the sound quality and the ANC at this price point pretty much makes up for those omissions. So for anyone looking for a pair of everyday earbuds that deliver impressive audio and some effective noise canceling without breaking the bank, the Soundpeats Air5 Pros should definitely be on your short list. A huge shout out to Soundpeats for sending these bad boys over for review, and I'll post a link to these down in the description below right next to that like button. So let me know, what do you guys think of the Soundpeats Air5 Pros? What are your headphones of choice that you use on a daily basis? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more cool tech reviews in the future. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.